Hi, my name is Parizad Bichari, and for my Google Science Fair project, I've conducted an experiment that explores the early signs of self-awareness and the factors associated with it. As an aspiring neuroscientist, I've always been amazed by the wonders and complexity of the human brain. Self-awareness alone is not just the main aspect of consciousness, but also something that has been greatly explored by many scientists in the past, such as Jean Piaget and V.S. Ramachandran. Watching my baby brother grow and develop a sense of self inspired me to ask the following questions. At what age do toddlers develop a sense of self? Is there a difference between a psychological and a physiological sense of self? Also, can you not be self-aware and yet socialize, have feelings of possession, or even morality? To answer these questions, I conducted a study consisting of 3 tests with 16 toddlers. First was a classic mirror test to determine whether they were physiologically self-aware. Second was a photo booth test to observe their reactions as they saw themselves in the mirror. And finally was a questionnaire answered by the guardian, where we were asked questions regarding the child's behavior, such as whether they were altruistic, or whether they felt feelings of possession, and so much more. Results were then quantified via a code for data analysis. What I then found was not only that physiological and psychological sense of self were 2 different things, but also they developed at different rates. Secondly, links between self-awareness and sociability, feelings of possession, embarrassment, and pride were very strong. Very strong links were found between habits of imitation and a physiological self-awareness in children. This is very interesting because it supports upcoming theory, such as that advocated by V.S. Ramachandran, that self-awareness could be a result of mirror neurons being used recursively. All these results leave a lot to be explored further in the future. One example would be exploring the link between sociability and a physiological sense of self. Considering that many of the animals that have passed the classic mirror test in previous studies were also some of the more sociable ones, such as great apes, this is a very interesting concept. Also, the role of mirror neurons leaves a lot to be explored regarding the biological basis of self-awareness in the human brain. Human consciousness, of which self-awareness is a very small part of, is very complex. This study serves as a small but significant step in unraveling its mystery.